Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Micron technology, and on this chart we are tracking here on the large time frame this 1-2 setup, and now in the slightly smaller time frame we are tracking what could also be another wave 1 to the upside complete, and it would be it would be a wave 1 in a leading diagonal. We do also have to be prepared for the idea that this could be just an ABC that is developing, and then it would be a wave C in an ending diagonal. Just a little bit of information there, but regardless, we are tracking here a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a third wave up, a fourth wave down, and then this could very well be the fifth wave complete. And that's why I have this wave 1 to the upside here in white, because I actually want to provide a large time frame support zone. But as you may see, we are still at the $117 level, and even from the current price, to actually even reach the support zone here in white, we would have to drop over 75%. And yeah, the support zone for a wave 2 in this case only really starts at the $27 level, and it extends down to the $4.2 level. Now, since it is actually so far, we must continue to track still the possibility to the upside, because there still are ways where we could, even in this interpretation that we have already in white, extend this wave 1 within this fifth wave. There are multiple ways I could actually make this work, but I am going to actually even provide you an example. So we have on this chart this green scenario in which we are still tracking a C wave that is yet to complete to the upside and fulfill this fifth wave in white. Now I could say, for an example, that this A wave topped here, and then this would be the B wave, and then we would be tracking an ending diagonal in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But regardless, in both scenarios, we will know in which one of them we are after we complete some more movements, so don't worry too much about that. But the idea is, in both scenarios we continue to track continuation to the upside, and I want to also provide a larger support zone for the green scenario, because while we did reach our support zone in green, we did not max it out, and we could realistically still see a reset in this B wave in green. And this support zone actually started at $81.5 and extends to the $41 level. Now we did reach the 50, let me draw it a bit closer. Now we did reach around the 50% retracement level, and we did create quite a decent reaction as well. And I might even say that we could have, I will say that we could even have a wave 1 complete to the upside in this green interpretation, where we would now need a wave 2 to follow, and then we could track a much stronger third wave within this C wave in green. So for this interpretation, I would be looking at the area of support. I still want to go into a lower time frame, but we could be looking at the area of support between $97.6 down to around the $72 level. Now we do also have quite a bit of price support in this area, so decent chances that we will hold some of these levels and at least create a reaction to the upside, maybe not so strong, but still before we would fail in the case that this just doesn't work out. But I can still track, and I want to allow this interpretation that we can still track continuation to the upside. Now it is possible that this wave 1 is not yet complete, but we aren't going to focus on that. Too many scenarios might just complicate things and make people react more to the volatility, so we are going to focus on this wave 2 support zone here, and if we actually reset this wave 1 top, we will readjust the support zone and then focus for wave 2 to follow. Now, we already completed here an ABC correction overall in this wave B, so I am very okay with it being complete, and I am ready to follow this stock in continuation to the upside in this third wave. I personally don't think that this wave 2 is complete yet. In the case that, okay, we are just extending a little bit here in the fifth wave, fine, but I even may say that here we actually have a 5-wave move to the downside, and we didn't hold the resistance levels that I would normally like to hold for such a 5-wave move. We actually nearly invalidated this interpretation by breaking above the wave 1 top, but we actually turned back to the downside, and this time we are even reacting quite strongly to these levels of support, so both at the 78.6% retracement and at the 61.8% retracement when it got retested after breaking down. But for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.